Hi, I'm Alan Hoxie with Woodland Direct. Today we're going to review the Modern Flames Redstone Electric Fireplace Insert. This insert comes in 26, 30, and 36-inch models to fit a variety of spaces. Today we'll be looking at the 36-inch model. With each Redstone insert, you'll receive a hand-painted driftwood log set, acrylic media, a trim kit, a remote control, and an installation manual. Now the Redstone features a conventional flush mount design that can easily slide into an existing zero clearance wood burning fireplace. It can also be recessed into a wall with a 10-inch depth and is safe to install underneath your TV. The Redstone Electric Fireplace Insert is equipped with a hybrid FX flame technology to create random, lifelike flames for the most realistic looking electric fire. It features high-intensity RGB accent lighting, 10 unique flame colors, active ember bed lighting, and orange-lit driftwood logs. The flames and ember bed lighting can be controlled independently, allowing you to customize the look to your needs. The Redstone runs on 120 volts of electricity and can be plugged into a standard outlet. Its energy-efficient 5000 BTU heater warms up to 500 square feet of space and can be adjusted up or down for maximum comfort. You can also use the Redstone with the heat turned off for incredible ambiance year-round. The included remote control allows you to adjust the heat output, the flame size, and the lighting separately so you can create a look and a feel that matches your mood. There are also simple touch button controls on the outside of the Redstone for quick manual operation. Since the Redstone insert doesn't produce any toxic fumes or emissions, you can safely install it in any room of your house, including bedrooms, bathrooms, and basements. It's the perfect option for any customer looking for a quick and affordable way to modernize their current wood-burning fireplace and to make their home cozier. Here at Woodland, we love the Redstone Electric Fireplace Insert's realistic flame presentation and how easy it is to customize the look of the fire. We also love that it's so easy to install. It doesn't require any venting or any gas lines and can be used year-round with or without the heat. And there you have it, a complete rundown of the Modern Flames Redstone Electric Fireplace Insert. If you have any questions about this fireplace or any other of our fireplaces, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com.